Now we are going to see on subscriber data. For this question, group the customers' data based on the region wise and count the data for that. For this question, we already done that the mapping using IICS. Okay, now we can write that SQL statement for this question. Now say in this table, that is employees table, we have the certain data that is present. Okay, from this we need to take the region column. Based on the region column, we need to count the customers data. Okay, that is employees data. Here we are going to take that counter, that is aggregate function. Okay, next we need to take the region column. We need to take a region, second column you take from employees, that is table name. Okay, so whenever you are taking the column with aggregate functions, you should use a group by class. Okay, so here we are going to use a group by class. Group by, specify the column name whatever you are taking in the select statement. Okay, now if you execute this statement, you can get the output for the group the customers data based on the region wise. You can get that output for that. Okay, thank you. And if you have any questions or doubt in Oracle SQL, IICS or Linux, please post a comment. We can discuss for this. Okay, thank you.